Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to level audio in Audacity, which is essential for creating professional sounding recordings with consistent volume throughout. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you can see your audio waveform on the screen, you'll need to select the portion of audio you want to work with. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the specific part you want to change, or if you want to apply the effect to the entire track, simply double-click anywhere on the audio to select all of it. This ensures that your leveling adjustments will be applied exactly where you need them. Now, direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on Effect. This menu contains all the audio processing tools you'll need for this tutorial. Once the drop-down menu appears, hover your mouse over Volume and Compression. This will reveal another submenu with several options for controlling your audio levels. From this submenu, select Compressor. The compressor is a powerful tool that evens out the loud and quiet parts of your audio, making the overall volume more consistent and professional. A new window will open showing the compressor settings. For now, use the default settings initially as they work well for most audio leveling needs. These defaults are designed to provide a balanced compression that won't overprocess your audio. Before committing to these settings, click Preview to hear how your audio will sound with the compression applied. This preview feature is incredibly useful because it lets you test the effect before making permanent changes. If something doesn't sound quite right during the preview, adjust the settings as necessary until you achieve the sound you're looking for. Once the audio sounds good to you, click Apply in the bottom right corner to process the entire selection. The compressor will now work through your audio, evening out the volume levels. With compression complete, you're ready for the final step. Click Effect in the top toolbar again to open the Effects menu once more. Hover your mouse over Volume and Compression just like before, but this time select Normalize from the submenu. Normalization is the finishing touch that brings your audio up to an optimal volume level without causing distortion. When the Normalize window opens, look for the setting called Normalize Peak Amplitude. Make sure this value is set to -1.0 dB. This specific level ensures your audio reaches maximum volume without clipping or distorting, which is the industry standard for most audio projects. Once you've confirmed the setting is correct, click Apply to complete the leveling process, and that's it. You've successfully leveled your audio in Audacity using compression and normalization, giving your recordings a polished, professional sound. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.